In this session, we are going to learn about expressions and operators in JavaScript, and we are going to understand the basic difference between expressions and operators. Let us get started with this one. Now, expression is nothing but it is a valid unit of code that resolves to a value. Okay, maybe by definition you are not understanding what is this. Once we see the example, you will understand what is expression in more better way. And also it is nothing but it is a combination of operators, numbers, constants and variables. Okay, I will just show you an example. And this is the example of expression. I have just written result is equal to x plus y divided by z. And this x can be number, this x can be variable, whatever it is. Okay, it can be anything. So these are nothing but these are called as operands. This x, y and z are called as operands, and in place of this I can give numbers as well. Okay, these can be numbers, and this whatever this plus symbol, this division, multiplication, minus symbol, these are called as operators. And this equal to sign, it is called as assignment operator. Okay, basically we are just assigning whatever result we are getting from here, we are just assigning this result to this variable. So this answer whatever we are going to get, it is getting resolved to a single value, and this is nothing but this is an expression. When this entire result, when it get resolved to a single value, it is nothing but an expression. You can see expression value will be stored in this particular variable, that is result. And this is our operand 1, operand 2 and operand 3, and these are called as operators. Okay, and about each operator we are going to study. Now we are going to see a simple example. This is nothing but this is an example for expression. Now here I am having 2, then I am having plus 4 divided by 2. Now first inside this is going to get resolved. 4 divided by 2, I will be getting the answer as 2. So now 2 plus 2, I will be getting the answer as 4. Now this 4 will be stored inside this result variable. And this is nothing but, now this is called as expression. Okay, this answer 4, it is stored inside this variable. Okay, which means that the value 4 is stored inside this variable. That is nothing but 4 is our expression now. This is assignment operator, operand 1, 2 and 3, and finally we are having this operators. Now let's talk about operators. Operators are nothing but we are having this plus symbol, minus symbol, multiplication, division, modulus. Okay, these are called as operators. In mathematics also we use all these operators, and also in programming we are having logical operators, like we are having AND operator, we are having OR operator, having NOT operator. Okay, these are nothing but these are called as operators, which will help us to resolve a problem. Okay, if I want to do the addition, I will be using plus operator. If I want to do subtraction, I will be using minus operator. See, these operators are nothing but they will help us to get the desired result. And what are operands? Operands are nothing but the numbers which are calculated. Now, if I just write here 2 plus 2, this 2 and this 2 are called as operands. Now, using this plus operator, I'm just going to add these two numbers. So, apart from these operators, whatever value we are having here, these are called as operands. We are having multiple types of operators. We are having arithmetic operators, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operators, conditional operators, type operators, and bitwise operators. And inside this each operators, we are having plenty and plenty of operators. Inside arithmetic operator, we are having addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulus, increment operators, decrement operators. Inside assignment operator, that is equal to symbol. Comparison operators, we are having greater than, lesser than, greater than, equal to. Logical operators and or not. Conditional operators, we are having type operators and also bitwise operators. And about these operators, we are going to study in this series. Before that, let me just show you a simple example about expression. Okay, practically I will be showing you the simple example of expression. Now here I have just opened this operator.js. Now inside this, let me just write here. Okay, short form I'll just write here. If I just write here log, it is going to give me this console.log 2 plus 3. I will save this. Result I am going to get as 5. Okay, my result is nothing but 5. Okay, this is a simple expression. Now here also if I just write here 5, I will be getting the result as 5. If I write here true, Boolean operator we have already seen, Boolean value, true or false, the answer I am just going to get. If I just write here not of false, I will be getting the result as true. Okay, this is also an expression. A single value is called as an expression. Okay, don't get confused. This is also an operand because this is the operator. Apart from operator, whatever value we have, that is the operand. This is our operand and this result is evaluated to this one, true. So this is our expression. Okay, whatever value we are having, when it's get validated to one result, it is called as an expression. Okay, these are the simple example of expression. And in later sessions, we are going to learn more deeply about each and every operators. Okay, we are having, as we have seen, we are having all these operators, and in deeply, we are going through all these operators, and also we are going to do practice set so that you will be having clear idea on each and every operators and you will be able to build more logical things when you learn about these operators. Operators play a very important role in JavaScript, so you should be very good at operators. That's all for this session. Next session, we are going to continue with operators and understand more about operators.